My name is Gabriela Green. The campus we're at is Keiser, Fort Lauderdale, and I'm in the respiratory program. I always wanted to do something in the medical field, and when I came to Keiser, they had all these different options, and I took a tour of the place, and I decided respiratory program was my best fit. My short-term goal is to graduate and take my board exam, the NBRC, the TMC, the SIMS. My long-term would be to work at the hospital and gain a lot of experience and work in critical care. I chose Keiser from a recommendation from a friend. Like, if she can do it, I can do it. My professors are really great. One of them has already been through the program, and I feel like they know how to teach me not only in like a lecture setting, but at the hospital as well, like clinical setting. Just do it. My advice would be to just do it. Just take the risk, and you never know where it could take you.